You ever just get tired of people winning all the time? I do. Except when it's a company that makes some of the finest headphones and IEMs on the market. Another home run for Meze Audio, way to go. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss our latest audiophile reviews and videos right here at Moon Audio. So today we are going to be looking at the brand new Meze Audio 109. Oh my God.
Sorry. Don't put it in.
Dude, that's dangerous. Your eyeballs could pop out.
Boing. Okay.
So today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new 109 Pro headphones from Meze Audio. Let's take a look at them. Here's the box. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that just nice, guys?
Very nice.
I'm a big fan of pretty much everything Meze does because it's just quality. Pristine quality. So here we have a nice hard shell case. Let's open her up. There it is. 109 Pros. I'll talk about some of the styling, materials, and stuff here in a minute. But inside, you have a 3-foot cable, a nice little leather bag that I think, has a 6-footer, and then the 1/4-inch adapter. So pretty much everything you need to start listening to music. So fans of the 99 Classics will notice right off the bat the design similarities. The headband design is basically identical, which is amazing.
We're like, oh, Meze.
Because this is one of my favorite designs due to the fact that it takes nothing to adjust except simply putting it on your head. Snug, comfortable clamping force, and super light on the head, you can't really ask for much else. Like the 99 Classics, Meze uses wood in their ear cup design, choosing a dark, rich walnut for the ear cup chamber. And the precision of the parts here is really just an engineering feat, not just in the 109s, but in all their headphones. Meze is synonymous with precision, and it always amazes me how they make all these pieces and textures look seamless and organic, like they were made this way in nature. The ear cups are a bit larger than the 99s in comparison, and the padding is increased with a felt fabric versus the leather on the 99s. You can see into all the pretty and shiny things on the inside. You'll find the machined metal chassis driver inside behind the copper-colored grille with a dual membrane diaphragm. Meze knows how to show off the details well, and the entire headphone just looks like a piece of art, as usual. It's a great job all around here, and I'm glad they carried over some of the best parts of the 99 Classic design. For my testing session, I paired the Meze Audio 109 Pro headphones with the iFi Neo iDSD headphone amp DAC and a black Dragon cable for Meze Audio headphones. Two things right off the bat. The imaging is simply amazing, and the signature of the headphones sound like the clarity of the Elites matched with the more warmer tone of the Empyrean. It's not quite there, but you get the gist of what I mean. Dynamic drivers hit very different than planars, but I'm glad they went with the dynamic drivers for the 109 Pro. Otherwise, I feel like they would just be competing with themselves if they utilized their famous isodynamic hybrid array driver. The dynamic drivers offer something new at this level with an open back design that they haven't done before. The 109 Pro gets some great bass response. I'm surprised at how well it resonates in the cup despite being an open back. It's an immediate bass response, tight, punchy, and not bloated whatsoever. The sub-frequencies have plenty of room to lurk in the background, oftentimes feeling them more than noticing them in the mix. On the other end of it, the higher frequencies are crisp and clear. I'm certainly noticing some of the energy that I liked in the Elite here, plenty of sparkle on the top that doesn't interfere whatsoever with the great bass response. There's a slight dip in the high mids and some small issues around 5 or 6K, just estimating for me, But there is a fix. It's going to be a great fit for those who like rock, EDM, synthwave, R&B, and even offers some spaciousness for classical and jazz. Like most Meze full-size headphones, the soundstage and imaging are the big stars of the show here. And the layering that can be deciphered on all axes is pretty impressive. It's like hearing not just the imaging from the left to the right and up and down, but front to back was a big takeaway for me with these headphones. I just can't say enough great things about the sound of the 109 Pro. So back to that fix. I like that Meze includes multiple cables and links with their headphones. They're fine enough for what they are, but you can tell that they put all their engineering efforts into the headphone, as they should. I was actually noticing some sibilance issues around 5 or 6K. Again, just a rough estimate with the headphones on a number of genres. You know, it's that sometimes harsh sounding S or T that makes you wince a bit. Well, honestly, I put a black dragon cable on it and problem solved. The copper and silver strands in the cable really do help smooth over those issue frequencies nicely. Of course, that was just my experience, and as we always say, everyone hears differently. Feel free to contact us with any questions you have, and we'll be more than happy to make a personalized recommendation just for you. So the 109 Pro is a superb headphone, hands down. Again, Meze Audio just can't make a bad headphone, and at this point I'm just like, come on, I dare you to make a bad headphone. Every single one of their headphones offers something amazing for your music. The Empyrean, the Elite, the Lyric, Penta, Solo, Advar, 99 Classics, and now the 109 Pro. I kind of consider the 109 like the Advar of the full-size headphone lineup. It's a solid balance of amazing sound quality at the under $1,000 price range. The 109s retail for $799, so if you're looking for an open back headphone, we seriously recommend them. They easily go toe-to-toe with headphones twice their price, and combined with the warmer signature, tight bass, and plenty of clarity on the top ends, the great styling and comfort, and you have a headphone that checks off all the boxes. You could even say they're
a Meze.
Thank you. We'll include a link to the full review below, where you can find a lot more information on sound impressions, comparisons, specs, and more. If you like this video, feel free to give a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.